It's my car boot drives, and I've got good vibes. I like eggs. Pure food gets me in the mood. Coming up.
What was that, 15?
15.
And
Well, I was going to say 20, but 15.
you wouldn't do those 8 any cheaper, would you?
Sealed.
Start the morning fresh, clean, and themed. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. Ooh, Final Fantasy VII. Classic. Tribes. Vinyl sellers. Life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans. Vinyl is making a bit of a comeback. Take time to ponder over these large flat discs, as you may find an enjoyable classic at a bargain price to enjoy later. Time to frequent my Lego gentleman friend again. And what does he have this morning? Oh, a TIE fighter. And what's that in the background? I spot a bit of Harry Potter. The magical purple bus.
What was that, 15?
15.
And
Well, I was going to say 20, but 15.
the 2 for 30?
Yeah. Throw the Lone Ranger in for free. Nobody wants it for the figures. Only a
If you
couple.
do, if you throw them in as well, yeah.
Yeah. Just the figures.
30.
Yeah.
Okay. 50p.
And on my ongoing quest for VHS video. And what's this? Top Gun? This is what I call a target cheap environment. What else is there? Oh, I'll definitely be having Top Gun away. Fantastic. I most certainly feel the need for 50p. Just a walk in the park. Really must get my video player down from the loft.
Cheaper. Cheers.
Cheers, pal.
Thank you.
Yes, I am trying to cut down on my DVDs, but I can't resist when things are so cheap, and particularly when there's Nirvana DVDs.
How much are the DVDs?
Pounds.
And there is an absolute stack of Star Wars DVDs. I have many iterations of the Star Wars trilogy thanks to Mr. George Lucas, but I do know my friend is also after some versions of Star Wars, but I can't remember which ones he needs. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to stack as many Star Wars films as I can today, and use this to my advantage to get, hopefully, a bit of a deal. I am still after the originals, and you can get these on a limited edition 2-disc set, which came out many years ago. But you don't often see those.
You wouldn't do those 8 any cheaper, would you?
6.
6?
Yeah, I'll do it for 6.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Walking Dead Issue 1. This'll make a nice gift. And some more Star Wars.
What's the pound?
Those.
Sealed.
Oh, a load of Blu-rays, all sealed. Generic titles, but do I want a load of sealed Blu-rays? Possibly.
25.
Nintendo DS Lite with an R4 card in the back. Often a good sign, as can mean someone has hacked it to run additional games.
Take 8 for that, would you?
Oh, go on.
Yeah? Okay.
Knew someone who liked Laurel and Hardy.
Take them all for a quid.
Not even sure I want any of these videos, but a quid, why not? Desperately compromised, so it's time to do a cheeky bag swap. I have one ready, already empty.
That's his cover.
£10. 20 new.
Not bad for £10, but I'm currently not in a bench covering mood. But I do need some oil for my car. But typically I can't see anything here. But 2 sealed VHS videotapes for £1? Yes. Bit of a mixed bag of curiosities here. Empty chests and some 70s hi-fi equipment. You can get a surprising amount of pots and pans from car boot sales, and very reasonable, but I've got plenty. Oh, you are having a laugh. I do not want to know what fun lube is. I want nothing to do with this, not even for £1. Horrible. Ooh, non-elastic gents socks. What a complete random selection of items to purchase. Books, games, curiosities, magazines. There's got to be something here. He says everything is 50p. Everything. Oh, there's a book on computers here. I like computers. Even better for 50p. Not really a fan of Battlestar Galactica, but yes, I do like computers. I'm going to be having this away. What else is there? There's got to be something. Random assortment of books, random terrible PlayStation 3 games. Come on, use your scanning. Get there quick. No, not feeling it. Come on, here we go. My eyes have not let me down as I've spotted a Cthulhu book. And it's in very nice condition. Let's have that away. Done. I was just thinking this morning, do I need a set of rear brake light panels? No, I do not. Mine are intact, thank you very much. I think I have temporarily lost my mind buying this huge stack of videos for £1. But that shows you how you can get caught up in the car boot madness. Still, cheaper than a bag of chips. And I seem to have overloaded myself with lots of Star Wars DVDs. But I will have some communications with my friend to see which ones he is missing. I am very surprised that anyone is missing Star Wars DVDs, as Mr. G. Lucas has provided us with about 50 versions of these films to help us keep buying them for the past 200 years. But you simply cannot refuse the Star Wars trilogy for £1 at a car boot. It would be criminal to leave that behind. Classics. Men in Black 3. Sealed. 21 Jump Street. Sealed. Anchorman 2, The Legend Continues. Sealed. Sex Tape. Sealed. Probably for the best. The Twilight Saga New Moon. Sealed. The Twilight Saga Eclipse. Sealed. Bad Teacher. Sealed. The Twilight Saga Breaking Dawn Part 2. Sealed. Nintendo DS. Not sealed, but does have the R4 card, which means it's highly likely that someone has fiddled with it, and maybe it will run additional games. Here's hoping. You may often get asked by friends or family members to pick up items from car boot sales, but I would always encourage you to invite them along with you. You might have a lot of fun. This is begging for an old school VHS night. Topped up with a bit of classic Costner. This does have quite an assortment of computers, as it says on the cover, so I will enjoy this later, hopefully with a warm mug of green tea. As we draw to an end of another interesting and fun morning, I wish to thank you again for watching Car Boot Tribes. It remains a big world out there, and you never know what you may find. So I wish you all the best in your car boot adventures, and I will see you another time. Goodbye. No one wanted the Lone Ranger, so I got all this for free.